So hi to all. తొమ్మిది గంటలకు ఇక్కడికి So horizontal synchronous picture details. So in previous class, horizontal blanking period, and the synchronous pulse details are represented in this picture. So the interval between horizontal scan lines indicated by this one. So here we have the interval between horizontal scan lines, that is indicated here by letter capital H, 64. So total line period 64 microseconds. And the line blanking period. So what is the line blanking period? So approximately 12 microseconds. So during this interval, synchronization pulse is inserted here. So we are having synchronization pulse. So it is the synchronization pulse. So during this interval, synchronization pulse is inserted. So the pulse corresponding to differentiated edge of synchronization pulse, so actually used to synchronize the horizontal scanning oscillator. So this is the reason why this picture all the time the intervals are shown between synchronization pulse and leading edges. So the line blanking period. Line blanking period divided into three sections. Line blanking period divided into three sections. So there are front poach, line synchronization pulse, and back poach. So the time intervals allowed to each part, that is synchronization part. So here we are summarizing. So that equal to here we are summarizing especially. So there are details of this horizontal synchronization. So what is the details of horizontal scanning lines? So there are, we are representing here. Take some scanning lines. So the first detail equal to total line. Similarly here, so let me take here, so let's take here. So if this is period, so it is the period, and this is equal to your so time. So we are taking the time here. So the total line, here, that is equal to approximately 64 microseconds. So next period equals to here horizontal. So what is the horizontal? So blanking. So here horizontal blanking. So approximately 12. So plus or minus. So 12 plus or minus 0.3. So similarly, we are taking here 12. Take 0.3. So similarly, horizontal sync pulses. Here horizontal sync pulses 4.7. 4.7. So similarly, we are taking here horizontal synchronization pulse. So which are having horizontal sync pulse. So that is equals to 4.7 plus or minus 0.2. And similarly, front porch. So we are having front porch. So the front porch equals to 1.7 plus or minus 0.3. Similarly, back porch. So 5.8, 0.3. Similarly, so visible line time. The visible line time 52 microseconds. So the front porch, that is this. This is the brief period. This is the very brief period where 1.5 microsecond inserted between end of picture details. Further, line and leading edge of this synchronization pulse is maybe visible to your this one. So this interval allows the receiver video circuit to settle down from whatever picture voltage levels exit at the end of the picture line to the blanking level before the synchronization pulse occur. Clear? So the synchronized circuits at receiver are isolated from the influence of end the line picture details. The most demand is made on video circuits when peak white occurs at the end of the particular line. So it is the end of the particular line. So here we are having something that equal to the picture information. The picture information. So by front poach, 1.5 microsecond inserted between the end of picture details for that line and the leading edge of the line synchronization pulses. So this interval allows the receiver video circuit to settle down whatever picture voltage level exit at the end of the picture line, so to the blanking level before the synchronization pulse occur. So line synchronization pulse. So next one, line synchronization pulse. So after the front poach of blanking, so horizontal retrace is produced when the sync pulses starts. So the flyback is definitely blanked out. So because synchronization level is black, very black than a regular black. So line synchronization pulse. So line synchronization pulse are separated. So at the receiver, and it is utilized to keep the receiver line time base in the precise manner. So synchronization with the distinct transmitter. So the nominal time duration. So the nominal time duration from the line synchronization pulse. So during the period, the beam on the raster almost completes the black stroke. So which is extremely left-hand at the end of the particular raster screen. So the back poach. So this is the period 5.8 microseconds. So at the blanking level allows. So this is the period 5.8 microseconds at the blanking level allows plenty of time for the line, so the flyback to be completed. So it also permits the time for horizontal time-based circuit. So this is the period 5.8 microseconds at the blanking level allows plenty of time for flyback to be completed. So it also permits the time for horizontal time-based circuit, so to reverse direction of current for initiation of the scanning of next line. So in fact, the relative timings are very small and that are formed. So these blanking bars at the sides have no effect on the picture details. So the reproduced during the active line period. The back porch or provide necessary amplitude equals to the blanking level which is required at the end. So the amplitude equal to blanking level that enables to preserve the DC component of picture information at the transmitter. So at the receiver, this level which is independent of picture detail, it is utilized by the circuitry. Especially the circuitry called automatic gain control. So develop AGC voltage proportional to signal strength picked up by the antenna. So as stated earlier, this color burst in the particular TV carried during the back porch of interval time. So the vertical scan details, so the basic vertical scan details are added at the each end. So with this knowledge, so the information is carried out over the particular period. So that is called vertical synchronization details. So the basic vertical synchronizations are added at the end of even and odd fields. So the width has been kept much larger than horizontal synchronization pulse. So in order to derive suitable field synchronization pulses at the receiver to trigger up the field sweep oscillator. So this stand specifies so the vertical synchronization period should be 3 times that horizontal line period. If the width is very less than this, so it becomes difficult to distinguish between the horizontal and vertical pulse at the receiver side. So in the 625 line system, so 2.5 line period, so 2 point lines period allotted for vertical synchronization pulse. So the vertical pulse commences at the end of first half. So there is a similarity after the exact interval of 20 millisecond. So the first and second half of the period, just after the second field is over, so it be being that the pulses has been aligned in the figure to specify that these must occur after the end of vertical stroke. So therefore this alignment is vertical because of the scan period, so other in the full line period. So that relative misalignments of horizontal synchronization pulse, so that appear on above circuitry, which are both important to demonstrate. So the basic vertical lines that are at the end of the field. So this horizontal synchronization information is extracted. So from the synchronization pulse train by differentiation, so that we be passing the pulse train through the high pass filter. Indeed, so pulse corresponds to differentiation of the leading edges of synchronization pulse are used to make the synchronization of horizontal scanning oscillator, so that brings out the uh, waveform. So the horizontal synchronization pulse are available in both during the active blanking period. So there are synchronization pulses are useful for maintaining the horizontal sweep oscillator, so that produces a very good situation. So therefore odd fields would be kept out. So this figure helps to your vertical blanking period. So along this waveform, so at the end of odd and even field becomes midway through the horizontal line, so consecutively, so looking waveform. So therefore it becomes necessary so to cut slots in the vertical synchronization path at a half line interval. So it provides horizontal synchronization pulse. So it will correct the instantaneous uh, even on the odd fields. So this techniques of video amplitude, this techniques of video amplitude back to blanking level before the line pulse are needed. So the waveform is then returned back to the maximum level at the moment where this line sweep currents are to be estimated. So this is the called. So this is the called where the synchronization so is required. So make the prior amplitude variations. So thus five slots are required. So five slots, 4.7 microseconds. They get formed in each vertical synchronization pulse at the interval of 32 uh, microseconds. So the trailing edge is required. These pulses are actually used to trigger the horizontal oscillator. So the resulting waveform together with the line numbers and is differentiated output of both the field trains. So the insertion of short pulses is shown as notching, or suppose the broad fields of pulses. So note that the vertical pulses has been broken to yield horizontal synchronization pulse. So the effect on the vertical pulses is subsequently unchanged. So it still remains. So the above the blanking voltage level. So all of the time is acting, so the pulse width is still much wider than horizontal pulse that can be separated at the receiver side. So returning to that, each synchronization pulse that are added, so positive spiking output from its leading gate and the negative spike of the pulse from uh, trailing gate. So time constant for this differentiating of circuit is chosen that the time is trailing gate derives the pulse due to the leading gate just to be delayed, just very short time it be delayed. So the pulse due to the leading gate that has about delay. So the negative going triggering pulse, the negative going triggering pulse may be removed with a diode since only the positive going pulse are affected in locking the particular uh, horizontal oscillators. However, these pulses actually utilized across the particular one. So therefore 64 microseconds time, 64 microseconds time required. So that 64 microseconds much space or marked with the line numbers for both the fields. So note that during the time interval of scattered vertical pulse, so alternate vertical spikes are utilized. So the pulse are not one field, so that this happens because of a time division or time difference at the commencement of each field, and that act not vertical synchronization. So that 64 microseconds are required. That 64 microseconds are required. So that is the standard value. So that is the standard interval. So such peaks we note down. So during that interval, the scattered line, so the pulse not used in the field, so which will happen. So these pulses come to the time when they can't trigger the oscillators are ignored. So that requirement it will be keeping the horizontal sweep circuit lock. So insertion, the vertical synchronization pulses are realized when there is a time. Uh, so in order to separate the vertical pulse have been broken and yield horizontal synchronization pulse. So that effect, so that effect on the vertical pulse, so it still remain above the blanking voltage level of the time, so acting. So the pulse width is still much wider, the horizontal pulse. So that is returning to a particular value. So by this knowledge, so you are all able to understand the pulses actually utilized and that occurs subsequently for each 64 microsecond intervals. So such pulses are marked with the line numbers for both the fields. So note that during the intervals of these scattered vertical pulse train, so alternate vertical spikes are utilized. So the pulse not used in one field, so that are once utilized during the second field. So this happens because of half time difference at the commencement of the field at the fact. So vertical synchronization pulses occur at the interval. So the pulses are comes at the time when they cannot trigger oscillators or be properly ignored. So that is the requirement for horizontal sweep circuitry, and it will be locked for a vertical synchronization pulse. So it may be required for each triggering of the particular time sequence. So the synchronization pulse, so that is the equalizing pulses that are able to wish, so that are able to maintaining the value. So to take care about drawback which occurs on account of the half line discrepancy. So there is a 5 narrow pulses are added on either side of this vertical pulse. So there is also known as pre-equalizing and post-equalizing pulses, which are used for in terms of the narrow pulses, the line occupied. So the effect of these pulses are to be uh, mentioned.